Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Nord CE 5G to XIAOMI device. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both smartphones and type in Send Anywhere. Then download this free app from this developer and open it. From here you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select firstly all of that and then receive on XIAOMI. Now tap on send on OnePlus and select all of those dots. Then choose send. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only this one photo. Just send and tap on get it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key here and then tap on receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on XIAOMI, then choose while using the app or only this time, so in this case allow, and point your device's camera at the code. Then just wait, and now, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!